Ya sanibonani igama umchasiseli Siminyaminya sentombi zasemzingwane la sinosfiso uMagwegwe njengomuntu owayese hlahlandlela emcimbini wenkosi umzilikazi esizwa manje umongameli we-MRP umqondisi Moyo egxeka ethi ubuningi babantu laba esababona this time iningi labo kwakungabantu ababethengwe izanu kwakungamashona afakiswa imqhele yezanu. Wena uthi nawe ubone ukuthi wakhula yini umcimbi noma nawe uvumelana naye ukuthi izanu PF yiyo eyayifake abantu?
According his statement, he is blaspheming.
Ngicela sikhulume ngesintu.
Ngokutsho kwakhe uyathuka ngoba I'm the first guy othi makunemicimbi yesintwini ngigijime ngiyoku social media ngibonise esikubiza nge-advert abantu abebekhona kokungabantu abangamahlabezulu hayi olunye ulimi. All what I can say to him, we mustn't be a glory seeker. We need to build the nation. Sakhe isizwe ngokuzimisela hayi ngokudinga udumo or ngokuthi ube content creator. This guy, president of MRP, is a content creator. He has shown to us that he is not with us. Yena okwakhe create content. How come ethi kwizanu PF eyenze lokho? I am not defending ZANU PF because my sesizwe senkosi umzilikazi, I am not a politician. I am a member of MRP. But from today I will stop because I've seen who he is. Ukuthi ngumhlobo nomuntu. And then one thing, as we are the nation, as we are the Africans, we need to fight for the devolution of power as Zimbabwe. We have seen many nations suffering through war, more than 100 years. What we need, Tina singabantu besintwini, sifuna amalungelo ethu. Sifuna amalungelo ethu, devolution of power, not what is in mind, oku-installa ebantwini. Yes, we know there was Gukurahondo, and then we won't stop talking about it. Abantu bakithi esintwini sebulawa ukuthi badinga udumo ngegama leGukurahondo, badinga udumo ngegama lamashona to blame amashona. While even le iGukurahondo yaqalayo abayaziyo, it was 50 great into eyisayinwe yiBritain. Understand? So we are taking the same mind of the white people and then installing to the other people to divide the nation. Thina singumthwakazi, thina sisizwe samandebelo hlabezulu, sifuna amalungelo ethu. Njalo siqala ukuvuselela amasiko ethu ukuze sikwazi ukudla lokho okungokwethu. We can't go around and blaming other people while we fail to stand up and fight. We can't blame other people while we fail to recognize each other. Emhlanhlandlela bekulabantu ohlabezulu. Akekho umuntu wathengwayo waphiwa umqhele. Ingathi sistruggle ukureza imali zenkomo ukuthi abantu bedle emhlanhlandlela. Sibe sesithatha imali siyothenga amashona edele. Oyizanu PF bisisponsor. I-government eZimbabwe emhlanhlandlela ayikaze isponsor ngisho nanga anything. We keep on fighting and building what is belong to us. Mr. President, I wish ukuthi you may apologize esizweni samahlabezulu because you have lied. Umhlanhlandlela ukhule in that manner ukuthi we can see the glory and then we can see the unity of Amandebele. I can't say sorry egameni enikhulumileyo. We are not the glory seekers. We are seeking for our nation and the culture yethu. Thank you.
Sabanga kakhulu Sifiso, sabanga kakhulu. Ngizwa kuthiwa nabelungu ababelapho babethengwe izanu njalo.
I'm fortunate, you know, ama-journalist ayebuyile. You know wena ngokwakho mkasiseli, you know ukuthi those people ngama-journalist. Kwakusukume nendlunkulu yakwaZulu. Uyanzwisisa?
Kusho ukuthi nendlunkulu yakwaZulu yayithengwe izanu.
Kusho ukuthi yayithengwe izanu. According to his statements sakhe umqondisi, I regret even to call him a president because he has insulted us singamabutho enkosi.
Siyabonga kakhulu Magwegwe.